This is NZDUSD. NZDUSD. We're on a monthly time frame right here. So we have a market that is making a move to the downside here. We have a market that is bearish on the monthly time frame. So on our weekly time frame, we have a market that has already broken this structure here with this candle. It has broken it. So we have a market that is going down on the weekly time frame. So maybe probably to get to this support around here. So we have a market that is making a move to this downside here. So here on our daily time frame, what do we have? We have a market that has made this move to the downside, pull back, make another move to the downside. We are expecting another pullback around this area. So how are we going to enter this market? We are expecting a pullback to this zone here. But if you are an intraday trader, you can, if you look for a price action here, if you go to a 4-hour time frame and look for one of our valid entry here, you can enter. If you are an intraday trader, enter to this upside here. But if you're a swing trader, wait for the price to get here. So you look for one of our valid sell setup here, then you enter at least to price to get to this area here. That will be our setup for this NZD USD. So let's go to AUDNZD, AUDQE, Australia, New Zealand dollar. So we're on a monthly time frame right here. So we have a market that make a move to the upside, pull back. Now the market is going up again. So we are bullish on our monthly time frame. So here on the weekly time frame, we have a market that formed this range around this place. After forming this range, market makes this first breakout here, made this first breakout and use these two candles to close up immediately. So now I'm breaking this structure again. So we are bullish on the monthly and the weekly time frame. So when we come to daily time frame, we can see that move to the upside here, very aggressive move to the upside. So now, how are we going to enter this trade? We are going to enter, if we measure this thing from up down to the up, we will see that we are hoping that the market will come down to this level here, that 8.2 Fibonacci level. Yes, we are hoping that market will come there. If we see a pullback to this level here, if we can manage to see we see a pullback, remember we are buying, we are not selling, so we are not entering markets here to come down. No way. We are buying, so we are not selling. So because market can easily continue to go up. Yes, market can easily, remember this thing is a resistance area, so market can easily break this place here. If market breaks here, market will pull back here. Yes, after pulling back, the market will continue to rally. Yes, so we will continue to be reactive, not proactive. If market breaks here, then we'll be waiting for price to pull back to this level. Then past resistance here will become support. Then we look for one of our entry here. If we find one of our valid entry around this place, we enter to continue rally. So if we don't, we wait. So that, but here we are, for now, what we are expecting price to do now, for now, is for price to pull back to this level. That is what we are expecting price to do for now. So things might change tomorrow, and we might change our analysis. Yes, that is how this thing works. We always reactive, not proactive. I used to say it. Try to be reactive. Don't go ahead of yourself. Just because I see that on my weekly time frame, I'm expecting price to pull back here, does not mean that I will just on Monday morning I will just sell. No, because price can easily continue going up. Yes, and if it continues going up, where are you going to put your stop loss even if you are selling? So price can continue to go up and it will hit your stop loss. So try to be reactive, not proactive. And from all this move to the upside, there's one candle that is different, which is this candle here. So maybe price can come down up or come down to this level, maybe. Yes, or price you can stick with your 38 points. But whichever way, support or resistance is not a straight line, it's a zone. So it's not a straight line, it's a zone. So now what we are expecting to happen on Monday, we are expecting price to pull back to this place. Then we look for one of our valid entry and